Paroda Waterfalls. Explore Paroda Goa, a hidden treasure. Welcome to Goa, my Goa vlog with Albert. This is the Kepe Highway. Have a look at the directions there. And that's the way to the waterfall. Paroda Waterfalls, a hidden treasure explored now. A must-visit trekking cum partying spot for the locals of Goa. The spot is located just before the well-known Bhutnath temple. Kindly watch the video until the end for locating the beautiful, lush, green, cool and perfect family outing spot. Location. The distance from Margao via Kepe Highway is just about 12 kilometers. The road leading through the village is little Humpty Dumpty, hence one needs to take precautions. Parking place. One cannot find proper parking place, especially for four-wheelers. Therefore, two-wheelers are more suitable to travel. After the parking area, one needs to walk towards the forest trail along the water flow for about 10 minutes, which will lead up to the waterfall. All along the way to the waterfalls, one needs to be careful due to the slippery rocks and sharp edges. Therefore, the location is not recommended for weak and aged people. My visit to the spot was in October when the rains in Goa had already stopped, meaning the waterfall is just not happening because of rains but natural spring water which is coming within the rocks. The clean crystal water flowing through and bouncing down along the small and narrow river is simply mind-blowing. It created a perfect ambience to relax, sit back and enjoy the serenity it provides. The water flow was clean and extremely cool, which meant a little difficult to take it on the body, as many amongst us felt it on that day. Conclusion: an ideal place for teenagers, particularly as one can spend the entire day relaxing and partying, since the place is cool and the constant water noises gives a pleasant sound for the ears. The natural white noise of water flowing, which blocks out all the other sounds, simply calms down your nerves and regenerates your soul at the same time. A perfect location for photo shoots and reels. Well, there it is. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel as I keep posting new locations for you every now and then. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.